Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mailchimp e-commerce tracking for dropshipping analytics. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Mailchimp e-commerce tracking for dropshipping analytics, first, log into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the main menu. Click on Settings for the audience you want to track. Scroll down to find Websites under the Settings menu. Click on Websites to access your website settings. If you haven't done so, add your online store by entering its URL. Select e-commerce from the left-hand menu. Choose Connect Your Store to link your dropshipping platform with Mailchimp. Follow the prompts to select your platform, such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Once you choose your platform, grant Mailchimp the necessary permissions to access your store data. After connecting, you will be directed back to the Mailchimp dashboard. Now, enable e-commerce tracking by going to the Integrations section on the left panel. Look for e-commerce tracking and toggle the setting to on. Next, configure your tracking settings according to your business needs. Ensure that you have set up conversion goals in Mailchimp for comprehensive analytics. You'll want to implement the Mailchimp tracking code on your website. Copy the tracking code provided in the Mailchimp settings. Then, navigate to the code section of your website's theme or settings panel. Paste the tracking code into the header of your website. Save your changes and ensure the code is properly implemented. Once everything is set up, visit your website to check if the tracking is functioning correctly. You can validate e-commerce tracking by viewing analytics in your Mailchimp dashboard. Finally, monitor your campaigns and sales data to optimize your dropshipping strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.